Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to show you how you can simply cancel invitation in Asana. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Asana, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to click on your project or like to your workspace, and then you want to click here see all members. And when you're gonna click see all members, you're gonna see members here, and what you want to do is just you're gonna see pending invite here on top of your member. And you just want to click on three dots here and cancel invitation. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.